Okay, I'm going to remove the front forks. As you can see, the fork seal is leaking. So this video is going to show you how to remove the front forks. So what you're going to have to do is loosen up the bolts for the brakes. This one has ABS, so you have to remove the pickup sensor. On the right side, you have pinch bolts down here. You have to make sure you loosen these up before you take out the main front axle. If you don't, you're not going to be able to get in there. You're going to have to loosen up these bolts, and then also loosen up this bolt. But before you do all that, you have to figure out a way to jack up the front end. What I do is I have a rear stand, and then I have just a simple hydraulic jack. And what you want to do, you want to put it on the bottom of the exhaust as far forward as you can. If you don't, what it'll do is it lifts the weight of the rear stand, and it's going to make it kind of teeter-totter. So as you jack it, just double check it, rock the bike a little bit, make sure it's not light. So what I like to do is I like to loosen everything up before I jack it up. There's the jack again. The idea is, since it's not 100% secure on the jack, I like to loosen everything first. That way you can loosen everything and you don't have to worry about the bike tipping or anything. I've already loosened the pinch bolts. The axle, I'll just loosen it, just make sure it comes down easy. You gotta take the ABS sensor out. It just slides right out. You can just hang it. With the brakes, remember, you just want to twist them to get them out. There you go. You can just let them hang. You gotta take the fender off, since you're gonna take the forks completely out. You're gonna have this little plastic piece. Make sure you don't lose that. So I like to rock the bike. Here's where it's on the stand. You just rock it a little bit. And then as you jack it up, you just want enough. See, rock it a little bit again. Rock it a little bit again. Now, I just want it off the ground so I can spin the front wheel. And then you can see the bike is still sturdy. Everything's already kind of loose. I still have to loosen these. I'm not going to loosen the top. If I loosen the top and all these, the forks will slide down. So with the weight off the front wheel, I'm going to take the axle out. and you can just roll it forward. Now, on each side there's a spacer. So what you do, if it doesn't fall out really easy, you can just turn the handlebars to full lock and you twist the fork as you kind of put downward motion. Another thing I like to do is while I'm doing the fork seals, since I don't trust any hydraulic jack, I usually put a couple, a stack of wood underneath. That way if the jack slowly goes down, it doesn't take you by surprise. So most of the weight is still on the jack, but as you can see, the oil pan is just slightly resting on the wood. Just a little extra security.